This is the NPSH Net Positive Suction Head Interactive Calculator, which determines whether your pump system will operate without cavitation. The calculator offers 6 calculation modes: calculate NPSH available, calculate minimum required pressure, calculate maximum suction lift, calculate NPSH margin, calculate maximum allowable temperature, and calculate required NPSHR from margin. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate NPSH Available mode. The input fields are atmospheric pressure in kilopascals, vapor pressure in kilopascals, static suction head in meters, friction head loss in meters, liquid density in kilograms per cubic meter, gravitational acceleration in meters per second squared, required NPSH, available NPSH, and target safety margin. Let me walk through a calculation using these values. Atmospheric pressure 101.325 kilopascals, vapor pressure 2.34 kilopascals, static suction head 3.5 meters, friction head loss in meters, liquid density 998, and gravitational acceleration 9.81. After clicking Calculate, the results show NPSH available equals 12.410 meters. The cavitation status indicates acceptable NPSHA verify against pump NPSHR. This 12.410 meter value means we have sufficient suction head available, and you should compare this against your pump manufacturer's required NPSH specification to ensure safe operation. Find the link in the description below.